Today is Saturday, magsa-sauna ako. Dito ng damit ko. Kaya, sumbawan ako ng tea. Tea for my drinks. Meron na rin akong mga damit. Kasi after sauna, papalit ka ng damit. And then, okay ka na. Tapos, snacks. Ito pala yung snacks ko. Edamame. Edamame. Tapos susuot ko yung shoes na niregalo ni Rico sa akin ng birthday. Yan, susuot ko na. Thank you sa gift mo sa akin. Marami na akong shoes. Siguro may 10 shoes na. Ang ganda oh. Thank you Rico ha. Sayang wala ka ngayon. Sana sabay tayo pumunta ng sauna. See you in sauna. It's gonna be a good day today. It's sunny day. I'm on my way to the sauna and steam sauna, and hopefully I will have fun. Have a good day today. And after that, go home, eat some good food, and maybe exercise, work out after this. Sauna pala dito, funded siya ng government yung facilities. Only $15 per drop-in. That means per walk-in. And kung gusto mo maging member, you have to pay $75 per month. Pero mas okay na ako sa drop-in, $15 kasi hindi ko masusulit yung monthly na $75. So I think I'm good with $15 every time I visit the sauna. Malaki siyang building. It's a huge facilities may mga hot tubs and pools. But I like to spend time in sauna, steam sauna, because I want to detox every week. So I think that's a good treat. Malapit na ako, about 5 minutes. Dito yan sa Kelowna, along Gordon. So itong highway is straight to my home. Okay, I'm there in a bit. It's tall. Oh, nabutan tayo ng stoplight. Stop muna. This location is in the Lower Mission side. About 10 minutes away from home. Yan na yung blue, yung red. Yung may red doon na building, it's a gray. And then, so this parking is for people who wants to go to these facilities. Now, parking, go right here, found a spot. Okay. Just arrived. Sa mga gustong mag-sauna na taga dito, mura lang to. Compare doon sa 200 sa mga hotels, napakamahal. Kaya ito, $15 lang. So, hindi ka na lugi. Tara. Let's go. So lahat ng nakapark dito pupunta yan. Napakarami nila, no? Malaki kasi itong building na to, kaya maraming pumupunta dito at saka mura. The cheapest sauna in Kelowna. Or steam. You can call it steam sauna. Right there. So we call it H2O Adventure Fitness Center. This is my third time. Let's have fun. Hey, how are you? I never thought we were going to meet here.
Yeah, well, we come sometime to
Yeah, I'm here every week.
every week. You a member?
No, just drop in.
I drop in every time.
Yeah.
Yeah, in order to be a member, you have to justify coming more often, right? So,
I cannot use that all every day. Maybe just once a week. I'm good.
yeah. Do you do laps? Or you go work out?
No, I go for steam.
Your steam.
Yeah, just detox.
Yeah. Doing well?
Yeah,
How's Jen?
he's doing great.
Yeah?
He's doing great in his mission, and he's happy.
It's been a year already?
It's almost 9 months.
9 months. Okay, yeah.
One of the members of the church here. Yeah, and yeah, just coincidence we just met here. Yeah, see you later. So I will show you the steam meter in the sauna. Maybe I can try that and go around and check the facilities to show you in this camera. And yeah, okay, I'll just go to the counter. Yeah, this is the area. That's the pool. That's the hot tub there, and the hot tub there. There's two hot tub, and the steam area is right there, where I'm going. That's the pool. This is the shower area, and this is the locker here. The locker is combined for everyone, and you have to find your spot in this locker and the changing room. I might take this. Yep. Same spot that I got last time. The overview of this facility, and hope you can come here if you want to visit this facility and have fun with your anything that you want to do here. Bye.